What's up guys, your boy Big A here. So I'm here at a Target and it looks like they got some shipments, but it's not looking good for Hot Wheels. So let's take a look at the bags here. Empty, empty, empty. It looks like they did get some of these 20 packs, but they're all the same. No premiums. Track Builder. Hot Wheels RC. Man, I can't wait for this drought to be over, man. It's getting very, very depressing. They have this cool F-150 SVT Lightning. And they also have this cool Chevrolet Chevelle SS. I think I'm gonna take this one. Don't have it. And here they have the 1977 Plymouth Fury, some Porsche sets. Alright guys, so it looks like that's pretty much at this store. I'm gonna move on to another store. What's up guys, so I'm here at my local disappointment and let's see what they have in store for us today. Looks like they got some of these fast wagons. Already have these, so, and of course they took the 69 Nissan Skyline van, and they also took the Volvo P220 Amazon wagon. So let's see what else they have. So this is what I was talking about, guys. I've been seeing a lot of these cool castings from Jada Toys. They have that 70 Charger RT over there. They have the Camaro, the Corvettes. They have another Camaro, Dodge Charger, and they have a Time Machine, another Dodge Charger, and they have a variation of the Time Machine. This is from Back in the Future 3, and this is from the first movie. I believe there's a third variation with the wheels actually sideways. So, and let's see what else they have. They have this cool Mustang over here. So that's pretty much it. 133 scale. Let's see, Disney cars. You have some monster trucks, 20 packs. Pretty much the same as we saw at Target a while ago. And they have some of these 5 packs. Let me see. Let's see, they have a couple of more up here. Check this out, guys. The Motor Show. Nice. Definitely gonna pick up one of these. Let's see what this other one is. This is the HW Sports, and they have these track sets over here. They have these mystery models, but these are all fantasy castings, so not even going to bother with that. All right guys, so this is all I'm taking at this store. Let's move on to another store. What's up guys, so I'm here at a Walmart, aka local disappointment. So it looks like they haven't got any single pack of the Hot Wheels, but they did get some of these 5 packs. They got some of these 20 packs, which we have already seen. I already picked this one up. I'm gonna leave it here for somebody else. This cool Night Burners. Let's see what else they have. Looks like they also got some of these Matchbox Truck Series, and this is the only one they left behind. Got some Matchbox working rigs. Have some of these Adventure Force cars that not very many people care about. NASCAR. Did get some of these new monster trucks. Check that out, guys. This is new for 2022, and it's this cool drag bus. This was pretty cool, man. Definitely gonna pick this one up. Let me see. Doesn't look like it's the treasure hunt, but it's got the whole California look and everything. Let's see, this one's also new. And they have the Town Hauler. so this one's pretty cool as well. This one has the Hot Wheels race team theme. Over here we have SpongeBob SquarePants. And here we have Bowser from Super Mario. And here we have the Taxi monster truck. Not bad. We have Bigfoot. So let me put these guys back. And let me pick up my drag bus over here. Mario Kart. We do have a lot of these Batmans over here. So this one we've seen a few times, the Mercedes-Benz diorama set, Scooby-Doo. They have this cool Toyota FJ Cruiser. Fast and Furious. And for green light, let's see what they have. They have this cool 1973 Chevelle. They have a Taxi. They have this cool Ford Crown Victoria. Another Taxi. Another Chevelle. And they have a 1988 Jeep Cherokee. And here they have some Just Trucks. Some off-road vehicles. Oops, pick that up in a little bit. Alright, let's see what they have over here, guys. This one's pretty cool. I believe we've seen this one before. 1970 Dodge Charger RT. And we've also seen this cool 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Alright guys, so it looks like this is pretty much it at this store. Catch you guys in the next one. What's up guys? I'm at it again. So let's see what they have for Hot Wheels. Looks like they are finally hitting. So let's start over here. This is all Q case. Let's see. Here's a Shelby, just the regular. Here's a Chevy Nova. This has been looked through for sure, but at least we know that Hot Wheels are hitting, guys, so that's good news, man. Finally. Let's see. Mazda RX-7. We already have it. Yeah, I already have all of these, so I'm just double checking to see if anybody left something interesting behind. That's pretty much it here. Looks like they're getting some of these 20 packs as well. I've seen all these before, and they're getting some new 9 packs as well. So check that one out. It's a Maverick. Ooh, check that one out, guys. Nice. Gonna set this one aside. Remember guys, it's always good to check these out because you can get a good idea of what cars are coming in upcoming cases. So far looks like this is a new casting, and then this one here, pretty sure it's a Maverick. I could be wrong. And check this out guys. It's kind of weird that this red truck is coming back. Let's see what else they have. They have this one as well. So I think I'm gonna take this one, guys. Let's see what else they have. Let me put these back real quick. I wish this pack had the truck and that exclusive car right there. That would be cool. guys. Nothing new from Matchbox. They do have this cool Johnny Lightning. It's the 2012 Chevy Camaro ZL1, and it's a convertible. So I'm gonna take this one for sure. Let's see what they have. These 133 scales. I already have this one. This one's pretty cool. Jeep. We have that Barracuda back there. And then they have some of these hybrid cars. Check out this Lamborghini Centenario. The rims look cool on the camera, guys, but I assure you, they look pretty, what's the word, shitty in real life. So, gonna pass on it. Anyways, guys, that's it for this store. Gonna head on to a different store. What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here. So I'm here at a Target, and it looks like they stocked up on some cars here. So let's start up here. Looks like they have this lizard looking thing. It's called the Veloci Racer. Hope I got that right. They have the Humvee. This is called the Bully Coat. Pretty cool design. And they have this cool 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. Very cool. And then they have this awesome Ford Focus RS. Nice. Here's another Humvee, which I will pass. Here's a local motoring. Hot wheels back there. Some old casting. And let's see. Here's this cool 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Nice. Let's see what they have down here. They have the Blade Runner. Here's this cool 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. Here's a recolor of the See Me Rolling. Here we have the Tesla Cybertruck. Cool head gasket. And here we have the Muscle and Bound. That's an old casting. So here's the Tooligan. And here's a recolor of the Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. Indy 500 Oval. Water Bomber. Diora 3. Let's see what they have over here. This is a new one, the Brick and Trails. The Match It Go. The Tooligan. The Match It Go. Let's check this one out over here. This is the Track Manga in a nice purple. That one's interesting. Tesla Cybertruck. Set this here. Here's the Skull Shaker. Fast Fish. Check this out, guys. The 70 Chevy Chevelle. Here's a 2020 Toyota Tacoma in blue. Oh, this one's kind of cute. The Rocket Box. This is all C-case, by the way. That's interesting. And here they have the Blade Runner. The Match It Go. Locomotoring. Humvee. Another Humvee. The Brick and Trails. Geoterra. Here's another 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Here's the Fig Rig. Tooligan. Another Fig Rig. And a Tooligan. And down here they have the See Me Rolling. And here's a Flyby. The Mac Go. Hot Wheels. Here's the Mod Rod. Oh, this one's really cool. Check this out, guys. The Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400. Nice. Definitely scored today. And it looks like that's all they have. Oh, hold on a second. Here's the 68 Dodge Dart cool. Check this out, guys. Here's a 2016 Cadillac Ats Vr. Nice. Here's a recolor of the Nissan GTI. And Skull Shaker. And here's another Toyota Tacoma. Track manga. Oops. And that is pretty much it. I think I already went through all this. Alright guys, so that is my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.